was born to fly and spread.
Anak, ayun, happy birthday. So, ayun, alam ko naman di mo maaalala yung first birthday mo, pero at least using this video and photos on your memorable day is ma-realize mo din paglaki mo kung gaano kakamahal ni daddy, ni mami, saka ni kuya. So, ayun, ulit happy birthday, anak.
Shuban, kung mapapanood mo to, sana maalala mo na nandito lang kami ni mami mo, kung ano yung magiging goals mo sa buhay, yung dreams mo, nandito lang kami, nakagabay. Sana magkaroon ka ng magandang vision sa buhay, good health, and mahal na mahal ka ni kuya mo. Mommy and daddy will always be right here. God bless you. I love you. Happy birthday.
Was made to dream that anything.
Happy birthday, Bibi Calliope. Ako to, si Ninong Marchman. Wish ko para sa iyo good health, then sana lumaki ka na may takot sa Diyos, magalang sa magulang. Yun lang.
Hello, ako si Ninong Elmer. Hi Cleope, happy birthday, and I wish na maging mabuti kang bata, may takot sa Diyos, and maging magalang, always God-fearing. Happy birthday.
Ako nga po si Ninang Alma. Hi, Shiyavan. Happy first birthday. Wish you all the best. Sana lumaki ka ng maayos. And yun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, I'm Ninang Rain. Happy birthday sa'yo, Shoban. I wish you all the best. Sana lumaki kang mabuting bata and love your parents and your future siblings. Happy birthday!
Okay, sabi rito is, some people brought their small children or infants to Jesus so that He could touch them. Okay, dinala po ng mga parents ang kanilang mga infants kay Jesus para mahawakan man lang ni Jesus. When the disciples saw this, they told the people not to do this. Kasi nagkakagulo, siguro napakaraming parents, nag-iiyakan ng mga bata, dinadala kay Jesus. Okay, inawat ng mga disciples ni Jesus. Pero ano sabi ni Jesus? Ang sabi ni Jesus ganito, but Jesus called the little children to Him and said to His disciples, let the children come to me, don't stop them.
For what I was made, this is the day. For what I was made, this is the day. For what I was made.
Hi, I'm Ninang Lyric, and happy birthday, Calliope. Ikaw ang blessing sa iyong parents, and I believe na lalaki ka with a good heart and madami ka pang masasharean ng blessing sa ibang tao. And I pray na ikaw ang magiging source ng happiness, hindi lamang ng iyong parents, ng iyong family, but also to all the people around you. And salamat sa buhay mo. Ikaw ang aming inaanak ngayong 2024. Happy birthday!
Hello, Shaban. This is Ninang Gracie. Ninang Gracie Rosen. So, I am so happy kasi napili ako ng mom and dad mo maging ninang mo. I hope lumaki ka na mabait at mapagmahal, especially sa parents mo and to your brother.
Birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Ako nga pala yung lola ni Shuban. Nag-aalaga sa kanya kung minsan. Wish ko lang kay Shuban maging mabuti at mabait siyang bata at yun, maging masunurin sa kanyang mga magulang. Yun lang, I love you.
Hi, my name is Sainet Igerwela, tita ni Shuban. Happy birthday, Shuban. Tita loves you very much. I love you.
For what I was made, this is the day. This is the day. Today was made to dream that anything can be my own.
Mommy! Mommy! Thank you for more than 4 years of being together. Sa adventures and memories. Mommy! Wala nang rewind! Mommy! Will you marry me?